Zustand. Zustand means a state in German, and it lives up to its name: clean, minimal, and powerful. If Redux feels too heavy or complicated for your small or medium-sized app, Zustand is a game changer. Let's build a simple counter app, and you'll see how quick and intuitive Zustand really is. First, let's create a new React app. In your terminal, npx create React app Zustand-demo, cd Zustand-demo, npm install Zustand npm start. The app will open your browser at http localhost 3000. Open the project in VS Code. Inside src, create a new folder called store. Inside that, create a file, counterstore.js. Import create from Zustand. Const use counterstore equals create set equal count 0. Increment set state count state.count plus 1. Decrement count state.counts 1. Export default use counterstore. That's it. No reducers, no actions, just one beautiful minimal store. Let's break it down. Count is your state. Increment and decrement are your actions. Set is Zustand's internal way to update state. Now let's use this store in your app.js file. Import React from React. Import use counterstore from store/counterstore. Function app. Const count increment decrement equals use counterstore. Return style padding 40px text align center. Zustand counter h2. Button on click increment. Button on click decrement. Style margin left 10 peak decrement. Export default app. Save the file and check your browser. Your counter works perfectly, and you didn't even need a provider or any setup in index.js. What makes Zustand so good? No provider, just import the store where needed, global or local. Zustand works both ways. Super fast, no unnecessary re-renders. Lightweight, less than 1 kilobyte. Readable and clean, it feels like writing plain JavaScript. When should you use Zustand? For simple to medium-sized apps, when Redux or context feels like overkill, when you need quick prototyping or isolated logic. Zustand is used by major companies like Meta, Shopify, and others who value performance and simplicity. So that's it, and see you in the next video.